As always, it is my pleasure to welcome you, but this is also our first meeting since the election of a new leadership for the umbrella body of political parties in Nigeria, the Inter-Party Advisory Council. It is therefore appropriate on this occasion to congratulate the new chairman of IPOB, who is also the chairman of the Allied People's Movement, APM, Yusuf Dantale, and other officials of the council on their election. The Commission looks forward to working with you harmoniously in the best interest of our electoral democracy, of which political parties are a strong pillar for effective representation. Furthermore, today's meeting is the first since the conclusion of the by-elections and court-ordered run elections held last month in 26 states of the Federation. With the exception of 2 states, Enugu and Kano, winners have emerged from the by-elections and the rerun elections. Again, like the 2023 general election, the recent by-elections and rerun elections also produced the most diverse outcome in terms of party representation. 7 political parties won elections in different national and state assembly constituencies. In some cases, parties won elections in constituencies outside their assumed strongholds. We congratulate the winners. However, as we are aware, elections were disrupted by thugs in Enugu South 1 state constituency of Enugu State and the Kunchi-Sanyawa state constituency of Kano State. We are engaging with stakeholders, including the security agencies. Very soon, a new date will be announced for the rerun elections in the 2 state constituencies. The main focus of today's meeting is the off-cycle governorship elections in Edo and Ondo states. As we are aware, the 2 elections are holding later this year. The Edo State governorship election is holding in the next 6 months, that is on Saturday, 21st September 2024, while the Ondo State governorship election is holding in 8 months, that is on Saturday, 16th November 2024. Already party primaries for the Edo State governorship elections have been concluded. By the timetable and schedule of activities for the election, political parties have 20 days to upload the list and personal particulars of their candidates to our dedicated portal. We have trained party liaison officers and established a help desk for political parties. The portal opened on 4th March 2024 and will automatically shut down at 6 p.m. on Saturday, 24th March 2024. 2 weeks later, only 6 parties have uploaded their nominations to the portal as at this morning. We urge you to keep to our schedule of activities and avoid last-minute rush that may undermine your ability to successfully nominate your candidates. There will be no extension of time beyond the deadline already published in the timetable and schedule of activities for the election to enable us publish the personal particulars of candidates, the Form EC9, on 31st March 2024 as provided by law. For the Ondo State governorship election, party primaries begin in the next 2 weeks on 6 April 2024 and ends 3 weeks later on 27th April 2024. So far, 16 political parties out of 19 have indicated interest in participating in the election. I urge political parties to adhere strictly to your proposed dates and modes of primaries. Frequent changes, as we witnessed recently during the Edo primaries, are not only disruptive, but costly. The Commission cannot mobilize, demobilize, and remobilize our officials for the monitoring of party primaries for the convenience of political parties. Parties should stick to their proposed dates and modes of primaries for certainty and optimal deployment of resources. Similarly, political parties should avoid acrimonious primaries. Increasingly, the conduct of parallel primaries and the emergence of multiple candidates is a frequent occurrence. So too is the tendency to grant waivers to candidates who were a few days earlier card-carrying members of other political parties and nominating such persons to the Commission as their candidates for election. Some of these infractions lead to unnecessary litigations among party members in which the Commission is always joined as a party. The legal fees and cost of producing certified true copies of documents can be used more productively in other electoral activities by both political parties and the Commission. We must find a solution to this situation. Once again,